Hello, this video is basically about how to set up Titan on your Android device. Okay, so first step is you need to go to Play Store, and on your Play Store you will search for Titan. Okay. Since I have already installed it, there it is, you will find it down there. Then you will definitely install that. I can demonstrate how to install in another video, but for now, there I have installed it on your phone. Okay. Now, the next step is you will get an email to reset your password. Okay, depending on what email you use, in this instance, I'm going to use my personal email. And inside my email, I am going to find an email asking me to reset my password. There it will be Titan email. Please reset my password. Okay, so I'm going to go in there, and then there's a link that you will find there. You simply click on that link. And once you've clicked on that link, this will pop up and it will ask you to enter a new password. Okay, I'm simply going to type in my password. Okay, the passwords do not match. Okay, now they match. Okay, so now you click set password, make sure that they match. If you type it over and type it a second time, make sure that they are matching. Otherwise, this button will be grayed out. Okay, so now you click set password, and then you can simply click log in, but okay, let's see what happens if you click login. Then you will be asked to put in your email address. But we don't want to do that because we want that will be in the browser. What we want to do is we want to set up on the application. And there's the application on my home page. So I'll click on Titan, and then I'll click on the three dots here. Or let me say I'll click up here on the top right and then add another Titan account. So you can see I already have one. So I'll just add another one again. The add sign. There we go. Okay. Then we'll enter the password we just reset it or set up. Okay. Then I click login, and then you can save that just for my phone so that I don't have to enter it again. It's asking for my fingerprint. So I'll put in my fingerprint. It won't see that on the screen. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, so do you want to confirm? I'll do it later. I don't need to confirm. If you want to confirm, you can confirm. Okay, then you start a tour so that you can know how this works. And this is how it works. And email templates, priority inbox, undo send, and don't try this now because email tracking is costly. Okay, so don't do the email tracking. Email tracking is basically you want to know whether the other person has received your email or has opened the email that you sent them. But you'll have to pay for that. So I'll rather do that later. I don't need that right now. So in here, you can have your inbox and you can hand your emails, and you can click new email if you want, and then you can just type in your email. And if you want to send an attachment, the attachment will be at the bottom. Okay, so if you want to know everything or anything else extra, please let me know so I can make another video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. and leave a comment in the comments so that you can, if you request for further videos on Titan emails.